everyone, and welcome back to Cuisine. Let's learn how to make this delicious and easy mango drink at home. Let me tell you something. I literally grew up drinking this every summer. Though I'm away from home now, but I still can't stop making this for me. So this one is for you, Mom. Thank you for introducing me to this popular, delicious mango milkshake. Now let's quickly take a look at the recipe. We will start by adding few mango pieces to the blender. Next I'll add mango pulp as well. This step is really optional. I like this combination as I do not want to blend this very smooth, cause I like few pieces of mango chunks in between. Next add some milk, followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add some vanilla ice cream. Give this a nice blend. This is how it would turn out. Pour this mixture into a serving glass. Garnish this drink with some vanilla ice cream and then top it up with some freshly cut mangoes. Add few cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios and raisins. There you go. Our mango milkshake is ready. It's one of the best way to enjoy mangoes this season. So what you waiting for? Do try this recipe and you'll never be disappointed. Don't forget to share this video. For more such amazing videos, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon if you haven't done yet. Keep watching Cuisine and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye-bye.